You know, sometimes you can't afford it, so what you want to do? Live a simple life and you have less headache, you know.
So, this is my last day in Jamaica. I don't know when I'll be back, but this is it for me. I'm gonna miss Jamaica. I just have to close these suitcases. I already put away everything. And last look at the apartment. Everything is put away. Yeah. Always sad when it's time to leave Jamaica. Never happy. Always sad. I feel jealous of all the people that live overseas and have relocated to Jamaica. I feel so jealous. Especially when you come from those cold countries. When you come from those cold places, yeah, you're not really too happy to go back, especially as a black person. This is what I'm gonna be wearing. That is me. I'm gonna be leaving this stuff here. I made some room in the closet. So when my guest comes, they're all good. I'm gonna jump in the shower just now. Sad, sad, sad. Sad to leave Jamaica. I would like to leave like when I want to leave, you know? Not because it's time to go home. I would like to have that option to be able to leave Jamaica when I choose to. Not because you have to go to work, to go pay bills, make money to pay bills. Yeah, I'm so tired of that, man. You get up every day, you think about bills. You go to sleep, you think about bills. You wake up, you think about bills. Bills, bills, bills. Yeah, this is it. I'm gonna take a shower and just wait for my ride to come. Alexa, what's the weather in North York?
Currently, in North York, Ontario, it's minus 6 degrees Celsius with clear skies and sun. Today, you can expect snow flurries, with a high of minus 2 degrees and a low of minus 6 degrees.
-6 in Toronto. Minus. Man. That's something I'll never get used to. Cold weather. I can't wait to be out of there. Yeah, people, so I appreciate you for tuning in. I'm going back. I go work and pay bills. Then work some more and pay bills some more. Yeah. I don't think that's what God had intended for our lives, you know. A lot of people feel like when they travel overseas, it's so great, it's gonna be so amazing. No, man. If you can, I would say if you can make money and live decent here, you'll probably live better here in the Caribbean than you would overseas. You could do more with your money. You know, some people, they're living really good here. They have nannies, their kids are going to private school, then they migrate overseas and they're living like peasants, you know, because what your money could have done in Jamaica doesn't necessarily mean that's what's going to happen when you go live overseas, you know. You're not going to, you don't always live the same life. A lot of people don't realize that. I'm not saying going overseas is not a good opportunity, it is, but trust me, man, I would recommend to everyone that has lived overseas from they were young, go in, make your money, set up yourself in your country, comfortable, set up your business, something so you can, you know, pay your bills and keep making money. That's what I'd recommend to people. Also, to me in foreign, there's no love and care. It's like every man for themselves, a dog eat dog world, you know? So, here, you want some food, you can, you know, go to your neighbor, your friend. When you live in a lot of these foreign countries, you don't even know your neighbor. You may recognize them when you see them, but you've never spoken to them. Years. And I never really noticed that until I started getting older, but it's not for me, man. As soon as I can get out, I'm out of there, man. All right, guys, I appreciate you for tuning in. Thank you so much. Super early. The plane isn't boarding until 3:40. But my ride had to go to work, so I already know how that goes. Better to be early than late. Yeah, what I don't like about this airport, you only can find seats all the way at the end. So as you walk down, there's no more seats. They removed them. One of the employees told me the reason why they removed all the seats is because apparently the employees always sit in the seats and the passengers don't get an opportunity to use it. I don't know how true that is, but it's just odd that if you walk all the way along here, there's not a single seat. You have to come all the way up here. And then there should be somewhere where you can buy some food, but no, there's nowhere. So I don't know. This airport kind of needs a little bit of work, man. But when you go through security and everything, and you go upstairs, you can buy food upstairs. What happens when you're here early? You know? 'Cause you're not gonna go through security without checking your bags first, right? So I don't like that, man. Like that. It's the first time I've came to this airport too by myself. Normally I always have somebody with me, so we can walk all the way to the end and go buy some food. But because there's no one with you, I don't want to drag all these bags with me, man, by myself. So I have to thug it out until I can check my 2 bags and then I can go. That's gonna be like, it's not gonna be anytime soon. But yeah, I'm gonna miss Jamaica though, that's for sure. I'm not looking forward to going back into the cold. I think it's like -6 today or something like that, if I'm not mistaken. Not looking forward to that at all, man. The cold on my body doesn't work well. All Jamaica needs right now is some good roads and more law and order. And Jamaica would be perfect. But yeah, I can't wait for the day where I can leave when I please, when I choose to leave. Not because I have to leave and go back to work, you know, or go pay bills and all of that. What is it you American? They used to sell like snacks and stuff right here, but it looks like they went out of business. There used to be more stuff here before COVID, but since COVID, a lot of the stuff went out of business. Sorry, the view is nice. Yeah, alright guys. Keep you posted on what's going on. Peace. Alright. We're upstairs. So downstairs is security. And then once you go through security, then you come upstairs. There's the duty free right there. Today's Thursday. The airport is kind of skanky. Oh, there's a Digicel. Why would they have this here though? They should have this downstairs outside at the arrivals. Before COVID, you used to have Digicel out there where you can buy your SIM card, set up your phone before you leave. And you know, you can get your what's that restaurant called? Island Grill, right? Ever since COVID, nothing, man. Everything is gone. There's some souvenir shops here. Interesting. Some nice souvenirs. Today the airport's kind of empty. Sometimes you come here, it's packed. Bought some food outside that lady helped me. Wasn't very good. So now I'm just gonna go to Island Grill. Get some real food I can bring on the plane. Food was, I wouldn't say terrible, but it was just too much rice. Yeah. So I'm gonna try to get a seat over here. Oh man, she sit right by the charger too. That's where I wanna go. Alright guys, peace out. So this is upstairs. I'm just gonna eat some food and then get ready to board. So I appreciate you guys checking out the video. Like and subscribe and share. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I just threw some pictures in at the end. Jamaica was a beautiful experience. Very beautiful experience. And I thank you guys.